As soon as I start the car, I hear the noise like pop, 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 pop. That comes from the exhaust. It means the exhaust is leaking, and that take my attention to check if this car is rusty or not. And as soon as I get underneath the car, I look at the rust everywhere. Guys, whenever you want to buy a car, one thing you need to make sure, check the Carfax. Look at the Carfax, see where is this car comes from. This car comes from Massachusetts, and as you see, there's a lot of black coat in the subframe. They normally do that to hide the rust. You know, cold places they use salt to just dissolve the ice in the icy days and rainy winter, and that's why it creates a problem. And rust it's a very big deal, especially in Atlanta, Georgia. People, they don't buy a rusty car and try to hiding it and make it worse.